We are going to talk about debating. So we got two kinds or two models of debating here. The first one is the British parliamenter and the second one is the Australian parliamenter. But usually in debating championship in the world debating championship, we use both of them, or we combine it, British parliamenter models. So we get three speakers, first speaker and second speaker and the third speaker, and then we usually have reply speaker, so that every speaker has their own role. The first speaker has to define the motion, the second speaker has to debate, and the third speaker also has to debate but cannot bring the new case. That's for the government team. And for the opposite team, starting from the first speaker from the opposite team, they need to, or he or she needs to, redefining the motion if the government is fail in dividing the motion. So the first speaker from the opposite team can define or redefine the motion itself. The second speaker from the opposite team, as usual, is to debate, and the third speaker is giving reviewing, but not to give the new case. So that in debating, you guys do not need to think about the grammar itself, because it's not only about the language you have, but also about the general information or the general knowledge you have. So guys, what I'm trying to say is that first you need to have a good pronunciation. I mean that you need to speak clear. You need to speak clear, because if you do not speak clear, I mean you speak so fast, probably your educator or your opponent team will not hear you, or will not listen, or will not understand even. So that the second one is that speak in a very good manner, and then structuring your mind so that you can start from using first, second, third, or in the point of, or for example in economy point of view or in education point of view, so that your opponent team or your educator can understand more about your content. The last one is that you need to give POI, what we call by point of information, so that you can write POI 3 times for one team. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. See you.